So when we're adding fertilizer to our seedling tank, we obviously need to know how much to add. Generally speaking, what you want to do is you want to add enough water to almost the top of the tank. When you're done that, what you're going to want to do is add 25 grams of fertilizer A and fertilizer B. We can do that by using the scale that's provided, as well as with the these measuring cups here. And there's instructions in the grocer manual on how to do that. In this section, we're going to be talking about transplanting our seedlings from the seedling and germination room and into the main growing area. So in front of me, I've got a tray of grow cubes and seeds that have yet to have germinated. These are not ready to transplant. This is purely for demonstration purposes. So as we saw in the seeding video, upon seeding our grow cubes, we're going to put those trays into the seeding area and we're going to leave them for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, our seeds should have germinated and they should have grown into what are called mature seedlings. And this means that they'll have 1 or 2 sets of leaves, as well as a really strong set of roots coming out of the bottom. It's really important to make sure that our seedlings have really strong and long roots before moving them into the grow beds, and I'm going to talk about why in a second. Anyways, what we're going to do first is we're going to take our tray from the seedling area. It's going to be a mesh tray, if you remember. And to move this tray into the growing room, we're going to put it inside another tray that doesn't have any holes. And this is just to make sure that we don't get water everywhere. When we brought this tray inside, what we're going to do is we're going to take an individual grow cube. Again, we're going to make sure it's got really strong roots. And we're literally just going to put it inside the top of one of these squares. Now, the reason why we want to ensure that our seedlings have long roots is because the water, if you remember in these grow beds, only runs along the base of the beds. So if we had seedlings with short roots that didn't reach that water, they wouldn't get water and they wouldn't get nutrients and they would die.